BW'ESEREKARI Mwaura Nigo bona ruroko boria guchia sabasa uweso kia sobonge na kwerikia buna bakichukura sobonge asatebire niga serikali erene kerenga kyo gukinya Abakenya gwetani $1 million nemo hasebona abasaye bakageire ko bahebirango bi 50 igoro yemia Mwaura nigo bona atebire serikali nigo egochia kurwe bintu byo kwerikia herigo chigosira umuroberi oyo chinga kecho nigo bona aira ribagerio na kogokera machibu yobachorio boke obubwa korekana hase chinsemo ao asatabira Abakenya nigo bona bari Nokoegena sumura wiki makia UDA na kyo kiagerete bakabachora abari yabuna kwaneki kia makia UDA nkweneki akere OBUYA asebirogo ao.
This is very important, and especially for our Gen Zs, to reiterate what the IEBC has said. We want to register over 6 million. And this is very, very important so that 70% of this being the youth. The government is very key in ensuring that we provide the requisite resources to the IEBC. And we are happy that recently, of course, the elections that were done by the IEBC, the by-elections, were successful. And we congratulate the UDA party for sweeping through, the ruling party. That is a clear testament that people have confidence in the government. That when you see, the government, the ruling party winning all of the 4 seats, and then we hear the people in the opposition saying, oh no, these kind of things. I mean, the best way to know what people are thinking is the results of the elections. All those other things are shenanigans. So really, that is a very good thing, and we congratulate, the people of Isiolo, and also Bere for giving us the Mapacha, the twins, in the Evurorian Muminje. That is really, really wonderful. And if anyone is doubting, you can shout out here and hold huge public rallies. But the truth of the matter is, what matters is at the ballot. It's how many people show up, and then we move on. So if really, truly, you are strong as you do, then prove it in the ballot. And that we are ready as a government to ensure free and fair and transparent elections, because we are confident that Kenyans are happy with what we are doing as a government, because they can clearly see the manifestation of all that which we've been planning for the last 3 years and implementing. It's coming into fruition.